Wooldridge of the Additive Guru channel. What we're going to talk about today is part removal from your build plate. A lot of times people have two different issues with their build plates in terms of a part not sticking well enough or sticking too much. What causes the phenomenon, the curling issue, is called residual thermal stress. It's when the molecules don't get to coalesce back into their original position very smoothly, and they get all tangled, and it creates a stress and it binds them off. So what happens for most printer systems to compensate for this, there's the use of glues, adhesives, all kinds of things to make the parts stick down. And that may be a good solution, however, sometimes the parts can stick too much. So in certain cases, you'll have build plates that they want you to heat up and cool down, and even then they stick too much. Now, in terms of flexible build plates, such as what you see right here, the ability to pop it off is usually a pretty good one. However, some plates don't have that flexibility. And so the solution is, well, how do I get it off the build plate? Well, there is the scraper approach where you get underneath it and just kind of work it so that it pops off, which does work. However, you can eventually tear up the bed very easily doing this. What we have found through our research is the adhesion potential of actually lifting a part off is weaker in shear than it is a direct tensile pull. So if you're pulling like this, it's going to resist more, but if you're just shearing it off, it's going to come off a lot easier. So one of the things we keep in the lab, the good old-fashioned mallet. So what we found is if you can actually just get a mallet to line up and just pop it, you'll actually find you'll be able to remove your parts a lot cleaner and a lot easier from a build plate that has really good adhesion. So $7 or $8, maybe $10 purchase, maybe you have one sitting around in the lab. Definitely worth it if you're removing parts from an FDM when you have really good adhesion and maybe don't have a flexible build plate to work with. Just get a mallet and use some shear to pop it right off. Thanks for joining us, and check out our other videos. We'll see you.